Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to sow pak choi. Now is the perfect time to sow pak choi. You'll be able to harvest it in October. All you need is pots and compost. I'm growing mine in pots so that they don't suffer from slug damage. Simply fill your pots, these are around 9 centimetres, with compost. I'm doing 3 and doing 2 or 3 sowings in each. Then take your pak choi seeds and push them down around 2 centimetres in the pot. I'm doing 2 sowings in each pot and then I can thin them out afterwards. Next, sprinkle over a few centimetres of compost on the top of your pot. You can also add a label to your pak choi pots. Then I'm adding to a tray with some other sowings and then placing some water in the bottom of the tray. This will soak up through the bottom of the pot so that it doesn't drown your seeds.